So we're currently trading in the Asian session. This will be the last trade of the Asian session that I take. We're on our account that we are trying to pass quickly. I'm probably going to trail one of these stop losses very soon, but basically the trade setup right now is we have our 5-minute high, 5-minute low, 5-minute higher high, and then we get a 5-minute lower low right here. We have our 5-minute imbalance right here, and then on this time frame we have this trend line that we're kind of breaking through, and we just want to see it hold. Looks like it may not hold, which is why we were possibly going to take profit, but we're gonna wait and see. Most likely stop losses above here in this imbalance. We're kind of chopping up on the way down, so we kind of want to see a decent push down. So we're going to put the first take profit like right here. Nothing crazy. We definitely don't want to see that. So maybe we should have took profit, but we're probably just gonna hold. Decided to give a little live trade. This is, like I said, the Asian session, so don't really expect the greatest trades at the moment, which is probably why we're chopping around. So we may take a contract off here. We probably should have, but that's hindsight now. We still have pressure from up here that could push us down. So that's what we're gonna do this time around. We're gonna have one right here, and then we're gonna have the other one at the far low. Hopefully we reject off this imbalance as well as this kind of trend line that's been created kind of right in here. So we want to see us get a close below this candle. Down 65. If we get a close below, that'll be a decent sign, but we got this big bullish candle as well that just swept this, so not the best thing we want to see. But yeah, really the stop loss, the best spot is this high, but we don't want to have it that far up, to be honest. So we are still pushing up further, trying to catch some of that Asian action a little bit before the market opens, or opens again tomorrow. Trying to see if we can get this account up some. Come on, come on. I want to see a flush. Just flush down. Come on. Just flush. Flush down. Not up. Not up. Not up. Come on, man. Now we're up here. Can we get a sweep of this? We're probably going bullish now. I took a buy earlier, but it just wasn't playing out how I wanted it to. We're going to raise this one up just a smidge, but down 275 now. I got some on regular NQ2. It's only $34. That's literally nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and put the stop loss at the kind of safer spot just in case. But this trade is in sketched mode now. If we were re-entering, this would be the re-entry. If you wanted to have a tight stop loss, it'd be above here. Still kind of rejecting some of these trend lines, but we don't really go off of trend lines like that. We're going off of price action, and right now we have this imbalance that's holding us to the upside, but we're still technically bearish on the 5-minute. Imbalance. So really this looks like I mean, all this is chopped, to be honest, but this is a corrective movement right here. Then we go down, and this is a corrective movement right here. I want to see a down, then a up, but this is corrective as well in here, as well as this. So we kind of got an entry again, which would have been right here. Possible stop loss right here or right here. We did not close through this imbalance yet, but this will be the next possible entry for this setup to then take it down potentially to this low, you know, wherever you want to take it. Hopefully we can get a close in through that imbalance. This is our PC. So this will be the best risk to reward in this setup. 3 to 3R. But right now we're at around like what is that, a 1-to-1, which is okay. I'm cool with that. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some of these trend lines now because they look crazy. I mean, we got a lot of chop action. Down 45, down 40 total. Just waiting. I'm gonna check the other joint. So to update you guys, we are way up on the original account. We're at 52.2K. I was you know, kind of busy doing other stuff, so I didn't get to record everything, but you know, maybe I'll start a fresh combine and then do it like that. We are going slow, still up to 180 now, so this is this will be if we break below this, then I want to say we're gonna hit our targets. We're at 274. If we hit around here, that was around 110. So this will put us at like 400 maybe, and I'd be cool with that. I feel like we're gonna end up going down lower though. Let's check this time frame. We got some imbalance in here, which we did dip down into it already, but we might dip back down lower. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one right here and we're gonna trail the other one. So we'll trail this one pretty hard once we hit around this low, if we hit it. And one we're most likely gonna set to break even. Come on now. Are these equal highs up here? Kind of equal. That I don't like. So I honestly think we're gonna trail one off at the candle highs. So we'll trail it hard like this.
Order filled.
And then we'll trail another one just at the candle highs, I guess. We'll put it at break even. So we're only at 273. 270, that'll get us.
Order filled.
All right, I'll take that. 392. Now we'll finish this off on MNQ, which I have a smaller position running. 3 contracts. I'm gonna put it at the right there. We'll just put the buy stop. Put it at the target. This is the target low. 328. We'll be up 400 if we close out now. I mean, we're up 392, so that's solid as well. We could continue down all the way here as well. So we'll leave it for a trailer. And we're gonna probably trail it maybe by candle. So this will be where we're gonna trail it. Then the next would be maybe this candle or this gap. Looking solid. We should flush through all of this. I really want to see it flush. We could go all the way down to, let's say, like this gap. Looking good, looking good. I'm gonna actually keep it at the candles high, because I feel like we could potentially get that push all the way down here, and I don't want to stop myself or short myself out profit wise. But we could easily sweep this and then continue to the upside, because we have all of this liquidity up top as well. So really, I don't know what's going to happen at this point, but we will start trailing pretty tight soon. Let's see, probably put it at this high. Stayed calm throughout the trade. You know, we were down almost 200, almost the entire, I think, amount that we were up. But you know, we played it right. We played it smart. And yeah, well, that's all for this video. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. I guess I'm kind of documenting the new account already. The old one is up, like I said, 2.2K. Yeah.